In this video, I'll show you how to generate AI content with Google AI Studio in 2026. Google AI Studio can help you create many different types of AI-generated content, including articles, ideas, summaries, scripts, descriptions, emails, and other text-based content. First, open your web browser on your PC or laptop and go to Google AI Studio. Sign in with your Google account and open the main workspace. To start generating content, create a new prompt. Before typing your request, decide exactly what you want the AI to create. For example, you could ask Gemini to write a YouTube script, create a product description, summarize an article, generate social media ideas, or explain a complicated topic. Now write a clear and detailed prompt. Include important information such as the topic, target audience, tone, length, format, and any specific requirements you have. Instead of simply asking, write an article about technology, you could provide more details about the audience, structure, writing style, and key points you want included. Once your prompt is ready, run it and review the generated response. If the result is exactly what you need, improve your prompt instead of starting from scratch. Tell Gemini what you want changed, such as making the content shorter, more detailed, more professional, or easier to understand. You can also ask the AI to rewrite a specific section, generate alternative versions, or organize information into a particular format. For better results, provide context and examples when necessary. The more clearly you explain your goal, the easier it is for the AI to understand what you're looking for. You can also experiment with different available Gemini models if your account provides access to them. Different models may be better suited to different types of tasks. However, always review AI-generated content before publishing or using it. Check facts, names, numbers, quotations, and other important information because AI-generated content can sometimes contain errors. Also, avoid entering sensitive personal information, passwords, private documents, or confidential business information unless you understand the applicable privacy and data handling settings.